Kalitan tang tiyempo, ari sa aton siningalinya is the governor sang Negros Occidental, Gov. Inibong Lacson. Gov, good morning.
Good morning, Action Art, kag sa mga nagapamaki, mayong aga sinyo tanan.
Sorry gid kay medyo ang linyata do hindi mayo gid ang communication ta subong do ay pagin ma-restore no ang mayo nga signal. But Gov, anong update kag latest kahapon after ninyo sugilanon ni President Duterte? I understand 2 billion pesos ang ginpain in every provinces nga hardly hit sa bagyo.
Actually, ang number niya, 2 billion for Western Visayas. He is trying to raise 10 billion no, for all areas affected. No? Na-mention niya 2 billion for Western Visayas. So we're hoping na mapangitaan na sa Department of Budget kung diin pa or Department of Finance kung diin pa sila makakuha no, from savings.
Okay. Now, since nga nag-conduct ka sang aerial survey, nagligad o aerial inspection, ano ang latest sa Gov kag nakasugilanon ka na sa local government unit nga bas naapektuhan, like for example, Kabankalan, Ilog, Sipalay, Kawayan, Kanduni?
Ang Kabangkalan, many of the evacuees have already gone home, no?
Mm-hmm.
We know na Kabangkalan natamaan din sa baha, no? But right now, of course, you can see, no? Obviously, you can see ang reminders, no, that there was a big flood in the area.
Mm-hmm.
But really, the concern now of that area from Kabangkalan to Hinobaan and other areas of this district is power, no? Mm-hmm. Because if you bring back power, you will have better water supply and also you will have better communication, no? So amo nilang subong ang nagahatag sa kabutuhan, no, sa mga pumuluyo dito sa inang area. Ang Sipalay and Nubaan were also Ilog were I would say the strongest hit, no, Kabangkalan at that area, no, ang 6th district. Yesterday pag-abot ni Presidente, very last minute to actually, upod niya man ang Cabinet Secretary sa DSWD, Secretary Bautista, Cabinet Secretary sa DOE, Secretary Cusi, DTI, Secretary Lopez, the Department of Transportation, Secretary Sugade, and Department of Health, Secretary Duque, no, and some other lower-ranking officials, no. So, hindi mo makita na, the national government through Mayor Duterte is sincere, no, in its effort to try to help all the affected areas. So, may isa to na mention si Secretary Bautista sa DSWD, ang financial assistance para sa pag-restore sa mga partially and totally damaged houses, no? For partially damaged is 15,000 and for totally damaged is 30,000, no? So, I will instruct our DSWD to work on this right away para maka-avail ta sining programa sa DSWD because that is also one way of bringing back to normalcy, no, especially kung makapuli ng mga evacuees kaila Panimalay, no, or at least they can start rebuilding their houses, no. These are houses made of light materials.
Yes, sir.
So, I hope na mabuligan kitang DSWD National.
Now, the province, especially ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan, is expected to act on the state of calamity nga i-declare natin Ris Negros. This is a separate fund nga gamiton man bulig dito sa Southern Negros and the rest sang province nga nahalitan.
Yes. Of course, this is our own local fund. But just like the national government, most of our calamity funds have gone to COVID-19. No?
Yes.
On the part of the national government, yan nagkahulam sila for COVID-19 response. Kita yan sa local yan, we don't have such law, no, for COVID-19 response. So, what will happen after declaring again a state of calamity we can make use na lang of what is remaining, no? Of what is remaining in our calamity fund budget. So just like the President, who will look around and from all these departments for savings, amo naman ang imo natin sa probinsya. Anyways, end of the year already, kung wala pa na nagastos sa mga departamento, that means hindi na nila magastos, no? So we will try to put them together and find out, no, how much is the total that we can use to help our victims, and we will decide kung anong aton i-priority.
Yes. Subo-subo galing kiti Christmas Day is very fast approaching. No, dali na lang, pilan lang katulog, Christmas na. Ti sa mga nalitan sa bagyo, anong mensahe mo palabot sila, Go?
Well, there may be areas bigyan na madulom ang Christmas, no? When I say madulom, because wala pa ma-restore ang power. Pero dapat masanag yapon ng aton spirit of Christmas. Let's just remember kung why we are celebrating Christmas. It's because of the coming of our Savior Jesus Christ, and magpasalamat sa Tina, no?
Okay.
Let's continue to have faith, no? Let's continue to have faith na we will all rise, mabangon kita sini, no? As a province, as a Negrense, we will all rise, no? And restore our lives back to normalcy, no? On the part of the province, we will not stop continuing to help. Thank you very much, especially from the private sectors who have been donating food stuff, no? Water. Kaya amo dito ang kinahanglan din, no? Tubig, and another item na siguro mabuligan man natin sila is yung solar flashlights, no?
Yes.
Sa mga lugar na wala pa kuryente, if you're still thinking of what to donate, solar flashlights will really come in very handy right now, no? Yesterday I left Kabangkalan sa Dulum na, and really makita mo na it's dark, no? It's dark except for areas na may generator. So this is the same situation all the way to Hinubaan, no? So again, especially sa mga biktima, hindi ta maglaom, madulaan sa paglaom, mabalik man gyapon ta sa normal. Sila na may pasyensya lang ta. Pasalamat pang ko sa mga linesmen, no, sa mga electric co-op.
Yes.
I know damo na criticize sila, but please do understand they are doing their best. Amo na nag-request man kami kay Secretary Cusi if we can arrange ba na magpadala manpower para mabuligan ang ato mga electric co-op patindog sa mga linya, no? Because as I said earlier, once na-restore ang power, mas dasig ang pagbalik sa normalcy.
Yes. On that note, Go, salamat sa time. God bless sa imo and advance Merry Christmas.
Advance Merry Christmas man, action ko sa mga suki mo kag sa Negrosano.
Salamat. Good morning. Good morning. Action Hotline.